It's a beautiful day. It's great. Guess I have to go for a walk. Let's go. We're out here in nature. But I guess this nature's pretty good. I think this works pretty good. So I'm going to try to walk up this road twice. You can't really see it, but there's an incline up there. So let's do it. One of the things that I decided to do was wait till I lost 50 pounds before I started exercising because my body hurt so bad. I just noticed gradually that I have more energy, so that's why I'm out here. I know it is so hard for people like us to get outside and walk. Trust me, I've been there. I've been there a lot. But if you just lose a little bit of weight, you don't put all the pressure on you to exercise right away. It really does help you want to do it a little bit more. Okay, I made it on top of the hill. Now I'm going to walk down. Hey, okay, there's people. They own that. Hey, that's their house. So I'm going to walk down and then I'm going to try to walk right back up. What's your problem? Hey, what's your problem? She's such a killer. So I know a lot of you probably watching this, you feel like you're in the pit of despair. You're like, how can I change? I don't want to be this person anymore. You know, I get that. I was that person 3 months ago. And I was that person a long time before something clicked in my brain. But the key, and this is cliche, I get it, but you just have to do it. You gotta start doing it. But if I hadn't started, I wouldn't be enjoying this beautiful day, realizing that my body is not gonna give out on me, that I'm giving it a chance. Because we only have one body. That's it. We got one go around. That's it. And I want to experience and enjoy life as long as I can. And I just don't want to live that life anymore. You know, I figured out what my start was. I figured out my start and why I wanted to do this. And everybody's got to figure that out. And you have to figure it out. That's probably the hardest part. But you can do it. Again, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm down 56 pounds. 56 pounds. And it's going to go down from there. And instead of walking this twice, I want to be able to walk at least 5 miles by the end of the summer. So I'm almost back to the car, but I want to thank you guys for joining me. And if you want to follow more of my story, go to Instagram at Holy Crap I'm Fat. And don't forget to subscribe because I'm kind of all over the place when it comes to uploading. So have a great day, you guys. Be easy on yourself and then be a little hard on yourself. And just start. Just start because you can do it.